Hello, this is Bernard Chang, and this is my ENME 489Y remote sensing project video. So for this assignment, we were asked to take data of my Testudo statue using the Raspberry Pi LiDAR system from multiple different perspectives. We were then asked to alter the previous data generation and 3D point cloud plotter um, to stitch together these multiple different points of view. So in order to do this, I first separated each perspective into its own directory, used Color Picker to find the lower and upper HSV threshold values that would allow the computer to see the red laser line, and run the data generation Python code to create a text file that could be then read by MATLAB. I then compiled all of these test results files into one directory, which could be read by a single MATLAB script. So in the MATLAB script, I imported all of the data, and since the coordinate systems changed between each scan, I had to translate the x and y coordinates of each perspective in order to fit the original coordinate system. So to do this, I used the geometry of the Testudo statue. Since it had a rectangular base, I manually found the x and y values of the corners of the base where the two perspectives would have met, and then changed or transformed the coordinate systems accordingly. I then concatenated each of the four text files in order to create one single array that could be then used to create a 3D point cloud. I sort of cleaned up the data as well since I had a lot of noise. So I knew the footprint of the base of the Testudo statue. And so any value or any point that was far beyond this base, I made each coordinate to be 0, essentially eliminating the points. And so if I were to run this code, we can see a Testudo statue. In the future, I would like to get a higher perspective of Testudo in order to capture the top of its shell. And perhaps take data from more than just the four sides.